Welcome to the Philippines! Hey guys, so today we rented a private boat here in El Nido. Say hi guys! Hey! And we are here with an amazing crew and, you know, by ourselves on what's the most beautiful tour that you can do in Palawan. Let's explore El Nido Islands. So this is the first stop of our El Nido tour, boat tour, and this is the beautiful, the incredible Hidden Beach. And I didn't know where we're getting at because we stopped there and I was like, oh, this is kind of disappointing. But now, you know, we just arrived here and everything looks so beautiful. It's this kind of cove right here, surrounded by the most beautiful limestone cliffs. The waters are so clear. This is insane. This is what I envisioned when, you know, thinking about El Nido, and I finally have it. So I want to spend here some time. I want to take it in and enjoy it, and I want to share it with you guys. You know, I feel like I'm sharing this adventure with you guys. I really feel like you are there with me. Okay guys, welcome to Secret Beach. Hidden Beach, yeah, not Secret Beach. Okay. Wow, incredible. Thank you for taking us here. Yes, thank you. So Hidden Beach is one of the most iconic places. It's the one that is on all the postcards about El Nido, and it's such a beautiful place. Not that much just for the beach, but for the whole crystal clear waters that surround this beach. And the limestone cliffs. The limestone cliffs are kind of the sign of identity of these islands around El Nido, and this one has so many beautiful, you know, like rock formations around. It's just incredible. So let's take the drone out and let's fly this thing. It's a new one, so I'm really happy. I'm gonna take this thing. Yeah. For those who don't know me yet, like fully, I'm messy.
Yep.
Yep. Romar can confirm.
Can confirm.
So we couldn't find the drone, but it's okay. But this is so beautiful. This is Hidden Beach right here, and it's so nice. The sand is so white. Everything is so beautiful. The limestone cliffs, and we are about to leave by going through the cave. So the tours are priced at 1.6 thousand pesos, the normal ones, the shared ones, and you probably will do it with a tour of 15 to 30 people. You can get them on any tourist office. The prices are the same everywhere you go, so you can just compare, but normally it's gonna be pretty much the same. And they will pick you up at 8:30 and it lasts 7 hours. So it's pretty much worth it. But we didn't have that much time, or we didn't also want to do it with more people. We wanted to do it for ourselves. So we were like, hey, let's invest in this trip. You know, we are here once, so we got the private tours. And the private tours normally range between 10 and 12,000. For our tour, because it's way shorter, because we couldn't do it from early in the morning, we started at 11, it's going to be 8,000. So that's a good price. We did it with this company right here. And guys, this is so nice. We got the boat for ourselves and it's so cool. Okay guys, so the drone, we couldn't set it up because we didn't have the app. But I got some internet right now, and of course that's thanks to today's sponsor. I was not thinking about sponsoring this video with Olafly, but that's the mobile carrier that I'm using, the eSIM, which means that you can stay connected everywhere. And guys, actually this is a lifesaver because I'm downloading the DJI app and I'm gonna be able to fly my drone. So thanks Olafly, you know, you can get the unlimited data. This is the discount code right here. And guys, this is a lifesaver actually. The good thing about Olafly is that it connects to the best network possible at any time. So I guess it's connecting to whatever network works in this remote place, because we're doing this tour that it's just so damn remote. So guys, I mean, this is the perfect promo, right? But it really is so useful. Look at how far we are from anything. So we got connected in the middle of nowhere. That's crazy, that's good. After that, we're hitting the big lagoon, and here we're gonna fly the drone. It's gonna be super fun, and yes, it's a good place for crystal clear waters again. And for snorkeling too, you can do it with kayak. A lot of tourists stop there. We're just gonna fly the drone there, and let's see how it is.
We are now the secret lagoon.
Yes.
And the part of Semisu, we have 2 lagoons there.
Okay.
The first one, the big lagoon, and the second one is a small.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Let's start the drone. We're gonna try to install the drone. I think the drone is not a fan of the sun, so we're gonna try not to make it a very sandy situation. Let's see if hopefully we can make this thing fly. Take off. So we finally flew the drone. Yes, and we landed it here. And because the lady, thank you so much, thank you. She gave us this right here so we could land it safely. At the end of the day, it landed in the rocks actually, but I think it's fine. I think we landed it properly. While doing a private tour also, one of the good things is that you can escape the crowds. You know, all the tours depart from the same time and they go with the hour. They do a circle clockwise. But if you do a tour like this, you can do it counter-wise and you can actually skip all the crowds. You can start at any time you want. We started at 11. At the end of the day, the boat is yours, so you can decide everything and you can tweak the itinerary a little bit. So that's what we did, and now we're here, you know, exploring these islands and choosing the destinations that we want to stop at. So that's amazing. We always, of course, hear the recommendations. The dad always saying, you know, like to us what we can do, and we choose not to have a lunch here because we figured out we, you know, rather, yeah, we will starve, but we would rather do that. We took some nuts, but we would rather do that because we don't want to stop anywhere. We want to just go and explore as many places as we want, as we are limited in time. So here in El Nido, I'm staying in this hostel called Lexia, and I'm gonna show you around. This is kind of the place that I've been working at for the past days. So I just get my laptop here, you know, one of these tables, or better even, one of these tables. And the views are just insane. This is a hostel, a co-working space, and you know, you can actually work with good Wi-Fi, enjoy a great environment, and the people are so amazing. Yeah, we love this place. It's great. It's cool. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, give a like, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure. See you!